What is up, guys? Once again, welcome back to the Roybo universe. So as you can see, this is the Realme XT, and we are updating this to finally a big package update, that is Android 9 to Android 10. So without any delay, let's get started. Go to the settings first, and let's check the software version and the about phone section. So as you can see in the about phone section, you can see this is the Realme XT itself, and Realme XT the 4GB version one. And let's go and check about the software update. The software update is, yes, it is available, and it is showing almost the space. The package is almost 3.52 GB. So I would ensure you, and I would request you, please be connected to a Wi-Fi, super fast Wi-Fi, while updating this. If you're not connected to any Wi-Fi, if you're using a Jio SIM or Airtel SIM, make sure you are subscribed to an extra additional booster of 3 to 4 GB, so that you can never run out of data. So the software update is almost 3.52 GB. So I think we have to free some space on the phone, because enough memory is fulfilled. And the as you can see, when I download this, it is asking me to clear some memory. So let me clear. So as you can see, I have cleared some extra data which is not necessary. So let's check the about phone section right now. Like you can see, this is 4GB RAM version, running Snapdragon 712 octa-core processor, and Android 9, like Android 9 Pie. Out of the box, Realme XT was running Android 9 Pie. So it is a huge update. Like it was just few days ago, it was aired. And next model number you can see, and the color OS version is 6.0.1. And after this update, you would be directly switching to the let's download it first. Okay, continue. Keep some patience, because 3.552 GB is actually a large package. So I think patience is very necessary. The main log and the main top would be like, this is completely huge package, so it will be directly switching from Android 9 to Android 10. And the color OS version would be completely removed from the phone, and the Realme UI would be featuring this phone, and that is cool. And that is way better than any type of color OS that Oppo phones, Realme phones, old phones were been running. Realme has got its own UI now, that is the Realme UI, which is clean, convenient, and it is kinda stock Android feel, but it is not a complete stock Android feel. And so 48%, 48%, and I think it's okay, like 57%. Keep patience. I think patience would be very necessary while updating software in any phase, whether it is a computer, laptop, or a phone, because so it's almost done, and we are here up to 98.2%, like 92.3% now. So this is a huge update. You won't get this kind of update every then and now. It might take like 6 to 7 months for a update like this, which is package over like 3 GB. So I think this is done now. So let's see what's going on. No need to switch, and no need to operate any other thing. Make sure that you are completely into this. And it is also given an instruction that the device might heat up while updating this phone. I never faced any kind of issue, but still it would be better if you remove your back cover while updating your yeah, it's done. So let's update it now. It would verify, and it would take some a minute, like a couple of 30 seconds, to verify your phone, the model name, and all the everything. It's necessary to verify your phone, and make sure you no need to do any other operations while updating this app. So we are already settled. So it's taking some time. Make sure you don't do any other operations during this time. No need to press the volume button or anything else. Keep patience. Yeah, so the Realme logo is shining, powered by Android. So I hope so it's going good, and it will be great in no time. Yeah, it's taking some time. So as you can see, it is initiating that updating. Please wait. Please don't do any other operation. I already said that. And it might take after the update is downloaded, to verify and install, it might take maximum of 15 to 20 minutes, and at least 5 to 10 minutes for sure. So make sure you keep patience at that time. You no need to do this and that. So I think this is done. The Realme logo is shining now. The phone has been rebooted, and it is restarted, and I think the update has finally been the software update has finally been installed. So as you can see, the Realme UI is visible now. The Android finishing system update is not done, but still let's go and check this out. Like yeah, yeah, software update, about phone, Android, yeah, Realme XT, Realme UI version 1.0. Yeah, that's great. And 4 GB RAM, Android 10. Check that Android 10. As you can see, Android 10. The fact is that we have updated this so late that the Realme UI version has already got another update after downloading the Android 10. So make sure you update this if you're getting this, if you're doing this after a long time. Let's go and check whether this is Android 10 or not. You get a lot of features in Realme UI, and after updating this to the Android 10, you will get a lot of features. You can go and check out these features. So finally done guys, and it's Android 10 and Realme XT featuring the Realme UI. So that's all for today. Make sure you hit the like button, comment any query you have, and subscribe to this channel before you leave. So I'm downloading this. Okay.